unboxing, our first one together for the channel.
And also the first one ever.
Yeah, so there's 44 different ones. Hopefully we don't get a double to start it off with.
Yes, so it is also called Fugglers, as she mentioned, but it is funny, ugly monsters. I thought it was something else, not funny.
Yeah, so there's 24 Fugglers to collect, well, common ones. There's 12 Catch Me's, 6 rares, and 2 ultra rares. Can't wait any longer. I'm opening.
Yeah. Which one do you want? I haven't seen all of them because I don't know which ones to.
I can't say which one I want because I can't see how many there is or how they look at least. But I'm hoping it's a rare or ultra rare. I don't want a common. And I wouldn't know if it's a common one. Hopefully there's a puppy.
I think you will get like a little card and then it says rare or common.
Can you get there? Because I don't want to look.
Don't look.
I am not looking. I'm waiting for you.
Okay, cheers.
Cheers. Wacht. Ek doen wag. Okay, so you ready? Wacht, jy het klaar gekyk.
Ja.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Oh my word! Dis mooi.
Dit is. Daai moet wat dink ons gaan daai wees? Wait. Engels. Ek dink daai is 'n rare. Is dit nie 'n ultra rare nie?
Wait, let's look.
No,
let's look. Wait, let's show you. Ek weet nie hoe mooi dit is nie.
Net naby. Kyk sy stertjie. Ek dink daai is 'n
This
rare,
is so pretty. A little button tail.
Okay, hierso kan jy sien of wat
Okay.
dit is.
Let's see. Okay. It's a rare.
Ja. Well done.
Yes, it.
Die rooie is net 'n normal een.
A normal one.
So it's a common. A little sleepy, ugly eyes and a little sterky. It's quite hard. Yeah.
Very hard. This one is a fuzzy, velvety feeling.
Yeah. Almost like suede.
It's actually so cute.
Yeah, you got a lekker one. No, I want more. But yeah, that was our first blind unboxing.
You also get like a little
brochure.
Collectible figures brochure, and it says 24 common ones, 12 Catch Me's, and then 6 rare ones, and then 2 ultra rare ones. There's actually a leopard print one which I'm eyeing. Very cool. It's catching my eye.
There's another one there as well, like a cheetah print one.
Very cool detail with the bite mark for the monsters.
Yeah, and there's little boxes to tick it off as well. I don't know if you guys can see. You can tick it off as you collect them.
Yeah, this is actually very cute. I'm very happy with this.
I can imagine.
Yes.
I've got a lelike ene, man.
Yeah, so I get deep gedal vir jullie.
Yeah, I'm definitely going back to get some more.
Yeah.
Hopefully no doubles.
So we'll catch you in the next one. Stay tuned, and we will not only be unboxing Fugglers, we will be unboxing
something else maybe.
Yeah, no, different kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
But catch you in the next one, and
yeah,
Fugglers.
2 little Fugglers.